In this video, I'm going to go over the trades that I've taken in the past 24 hours using the Ultimate Flow chart setup. If you want to learn how to set up your charts like this, there is a link in the description with a video that goes over all the details and all the indicators that are included. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Hope you enjoy the video. Just doing some more Asian session trading with the Ultimate Flow setup. Grabbed a short back here. Check out this level. This is a previous value area high, this green dashed line. This is from the MMT extra levels indicator. We came right up to this level, had some negative delta on the ES, got a sharp drop off there. We just went bearish on the 1 minute flow stack, a little close below the 20. Got another 10-point drop off after the close of this candle. It's not too bad trading the Asian session, especially when things are moving. We're getting some pretty good moves past couple days. Just took another short. Check out this little cluster of key levels. London high, New York high. These are just the most recent sessions. So even though we're in the Asia session, the New York and London levels are from yesterday. Had a washout signal appear intra-bar here on the 5 minute, right up here at this double cluster. Right before we hit whole number there. Had a washout signal back here on the 1 minute chart. We had point of control up into the wick of this 1 minute candle. Then you see the negative delta start coming in. Flow stack turns bearish. I was able to grab somewhere around 8 or 10 points. Gonna go to sleep, wake up when I wake up, trade a little bit in the morning. We're getting a nice little push down here after this 5 minute candle closed. Very bearish with the huge top wick, point of control up into the wick. Washout signal from the MMT polarity after the close. Blam, over 10 points right away. All right, I just got up after the 8:30 news, getting a big sell-off here. Flow stack went bearish on the 5 minute, pushed down below VWAP. We got a tiny little pullback to London low, getting another big drop here. I've been doing some multitasking here, but we just came down to 3-day VWAP, wicked off of that area, point control down to the wick. We also came right down to this 50% level from the 1 hour time frame. This is from the MMT 50/50 indicator, this orange dashed line. Got point of control down on the wick on this 1 minute candle. Very nice pop up. Made it up to the midnight level. This is from the key levels indicator. Getting a nice rejection there. It was also a previous session value area high. You can see this green dashed line here. This is from the extra levels indicator. Always looking for when more than one key level matches up in the same area. Got into a short when we pulled back up to the 20 SMA here. Grabbed another 6 or 7 points there. I've been kind of busy multitasking. I signed up for that Tradeify competition. You have to upload your ID and do biometric face scanning. It seems like you have to do the biometric face scanning everywhere you go these days. It was also a 50% wicks level, this orange dashed line, and the prior 5 minute candle was looking pretty bearish with point of control up into the wick, and the news reaction was obviously very bearish. Besides the Tradeify competition, I also noticed that Take Profit Trader has 50% off limited time. It's definitely their best offer. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan, you're the best. So I just grabbed a Take Profit Trader account right before the open. I'm trading it separately on this chart. 50% off, no activation fee, but I want to make sure and pass it within the first month. I don't want to have a subscription renewal, so I'm trading the regular NQ on my new Take Profit Trader account. I took a loss pre-market, gave some of my profit on the other accounts back. I was stuck in a short here pre-market, and it just kept pushing up a little bit, and I wanted to get out before the market opened. Got a nice signal on my new indicator right before the market opened there. Nice drop off. The flow stack turned bearish right before the open. Candle stayed red. Got some strong negative delta coming in on both instruments on the first candle. Got a nice little drop down right down to yesterday's New York open. This is from the key levels indicator. We also came down close to the 3-day VWAP from the extra levels indicator. Getting a little bit of a bounce up here. Just grabbed a short as we pulled up here. Check it out as we're popping up here. We got negative delta on both instruments, and as we were moving up, the delta was staying negative on the ES. We had VWAP and the 20 SMA in the way above. Went for the short, just grabbed 10 points. I just took a bounce trade long here at pre-market low. It was also a 50% level. Got a nice 10-point bounce right off a pre-market low there. Also got my eye on yesterday's point of control coming up, as well as the gap fill here. Current day open, yesterday's close. If we make it down that far. Grabbed a bounce trade here, long at this 50% wicks level. We had a washout signal on the previous candle, but this candle was pretty dang bearish with the top wick and the negative delta. But when we came down to this key level, 50% wicks level, I was able to get a 10-point bounce long. Did not make it down to yesterday's point of control yet. I just noticed the place where I took a long was also Asia Center, so we had some double confluence there, even though I wasn't aware of it at the time. So that polarity washout signal ended up turning into a nice move to the upside. We're already back to the 20 SMA. Just grabbed a 10-point short up here, 50% wicks level. This previous 5-minute candle just had tons of negative delta, and as we were coming back up, the positive delta was really not that much in comparison. We had VWAP right above. Felt confident going for a quick 10-point scalp. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.